This is United Industrial Group. We're a EASA-accredited repair shop located in Washington, Pennsylvania. We do both repair and new motor sales. So on the repair side, invoicing is a little bit more involved and complicated and takes longer. On a new motor sale, it's just a transaction. Generally, the day that it is delivered or ships, our invoice goes out. And the thing that holds that up is waiting for freight costs and waiting for the invoice from the supplier. And that's absolutely not an issue with WorldWide. We're able to turn things around very quickly. It helps our cash flow because we're getting invoices out as quickly as we can. So when the clock starts, it starts quickly, as soon as it can. So we can get that cash, get that payment in from the customer. It just helps the flow of work. When you have to wait for an invoice, you've got it sitting there on your desk waiting, and you're making phone calls. Where's the freight? We don't do that with WorldWide. It just happens, and I appreciate that.